The final game in the 2013-2014 high school girls basketball season was the Class M championship at Mohegan Sun Arena, New London. Getting hot mid-season and getting to the championship game. The runners-up in the ECC, and they were taking on the runners-up in the Shoreline Conference, Morgan, who has been steady all season. They beat Cromwell to get to this game. They were also really hot with a lot of momentum, and it showed early in the game. Jen Dawson knocking down the wide-open pull-up three-pointer. Morgan had a 9-2 lead early. Did a great job of passing the ball, taking their time on offense and playing good defense. Josie Sullivan making that shot, but New London gained control around the second quarter. Didn't look back until the fourth. Deanna McCarville with the floater. Lexus Childs Harris with the nice drive and the layup. And in the second half, McCarville knocks down that triple right there. But like I said, Morgan came back and turned a 50-33 deficit into a 53-52 game. Layup right there from Morgan. But too much inside presence in the Pagan knocking down the layup. They were really strong inside the paint. And New London wins their first girls basketball championship in school history. Thanks for watching high school girls basketball all season long on GameTimeCT.com.